How do you remove the front fairing from your Honda VFR? Stick around, I'm going to take you through it step by step. You're going to need a 5mm hex key. I've got mine on this power tool here for quicker removal. And you're also going to need a flat bladed screwdriver for the rivets. Then you're probably going to want a silicone pry bar set to get the rivets out. This really helps. It's one of my most valued tools. So first of all, we're just going to remove all of these bolts holding the fairing into the little captive nuts that hold in rubber housings on the frame. We're then going to remove the various plastic rivets, and these are Honda proprietary rivets. These are different to normal rivets. Okay, so you've got 4 main fixings on the fairing. So you've got this M6, quite short, and it's got that little shank on here. Those are the bolts that hold the side of the fairing on and the bottom of the fairing on. You've got these M5s, these are slightly narrower, and they are 20mm long, and they are at the top of the fairing. They're holding the top of the fairing on. And then you've got these also M5, but slightly shorter, I think about 15mm long, and they are holding the front sort of black cowl in on the front of the exhaust. And then finally you've got these plastic rivets. Click up here for a full video on how to remove these plastic rivets. They're used all over the motorcycle, so you want to get familiar with that. They are £4 each. It is expensive to break them, so do be careful. And that's it, that's how you remove the fairing on your Honda VFR. Hope that helps. Do please consider subscribing. It really helps support the channel. Do hit me a like and leave me a comment. Even if it's constructive criticism, I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.